YouTube family, it's Denise aka Love for My Curls here, back with another video. So as I always try to say, welcome to all my subscribers, my new subscribers and any new viewers today. Welcome to my channel. My channel is dedicated to my curly hair journey, the products that I like to use. I might be incorporating some other topics along the way, but it's mainly about my curly hair journey. So welcome. As I've previously mentioned, I do have highlighted curls, highlight blonde curls actually, and there are a number of products I like to use to kind of keep the brassiness at bay. But I have discovered a new product. Well, actually, it's not really new for me. I have used it years ago, but I kind of forgot about it. And then something jigged my memory about it again, and I was like, oh my gosh, of course, I used to use this before. And I feel it's one of the easiest things to keep your brightness at bay. It really is. Obviously you can use shampoos, and again, I've used other shampoos in the past that have worked, but unfortunately some of them do leave my hair feeling very dry and stripped, which I don't really like. I've got a purple hairspray as well, a leave-in spray actually, that I've mentioned in one of my previous videos as well. But this is something that I've really liked. It is by IGK and it's called Mix Feelings Leave-In Blonde Toning Drops, which look like this. Yes, hopefully you can see that. Yeah, which looks like this. And I really like it. I really love the concept. So it's a little bit late in the evening here, where I'm based now. So sorry if hopefully I'm not speaking too low. I'm just trying to keep it down because everyone's asleep. But I like this. So it basically looks like this, and it's got a little topper thing here, which is soft, and you basically squeeze it. So when you squeeze it out is when the drops come out. So if I kind of show you how it works, so you basically, so you can do that, and then as you can see, that comes out. And I believe it has some directions as to how much you can use depending on your color and how much you want to use in terms of obviously toning your hair. I'll probably insert a clip here, just showing you the amount that you should be using. But I use about 6 drops. So how this works is that you can mix it in with any of your products. So you can mix it in with your shampoos, your conditioners, your leave-in creams, your styling creams. I haven't tried this, so I don't know how it works, but I would probably stick to something that is white in color. So if your shampoos are white or clear, I would probably go for this, definitely, because obviously the color will mix very well. If your conditioner is white as well, would use it. Styling cream is white, I'll definitely use this, and it works so good. And like, the smell is pleasant. It doesn't have like a horrible smell to it. It mixes so well with my creams as well. So I really like this, and it really works nicely. I don't know if you can see. Ooh, I've got a bit of purple on my hands, but you probably can't see because of the lighting. I've had to switch places today in terms of like the location of my video tonight. But I really like it, and it works so well. Like, I would absolutely recommend this for somebody that just wants something really quick and easy when it comes to toning your hair. And one where you're not like, oh no, like I forgot to use my purple shampoo, where you can use it with your leave-in, or oh no, I forgot to use it with my leave-in or my styling creams. You can actually even mix it with your oils, like your sealing oils. Just mix a little bit with it, and it actually works with your sealing oils as well. So it's just so versatile, and I paid I would say about between 22 and 26 pounds for it. So it's not the most cheapest thing. However, this will go a long way because You know, as I said, I only need to squeeze about maybe 5 or 6 drops, and obviously I am doing my weekly wash routine, you know, once a week. So I kind of just need to use it once a week, or if I'm refreshing my hair during the week with maybe a cream, I might want to use it. But it's just so, so good. It's not drying because it's not, it doesn't just work on its own. Obviously, you're mixing it with other moisturizing products that you're using on your hair. So it's just good. It is really, really, really good. So I would definitely recommend this for sure. Obviously, it looks like this. So yes, I wanted to just come on really and do a quick video because I was like, oh my gosh, I really, really, really forgot about this. And I was just really, really excited to try it again just to find out if it really still worked for me. And it works so, so, so good. So anybody that's got the highlighted hair and you just need something to really get the brassiness out. And I believe it works on if you have blonde, silver, pastel highlighted hair, and if you're a darker blonde, you can use up to 9 drops. So yeah, so it's really, really good. I really like it. And in terms of the ingredients, castor oil is quite high up. It's hydrogenated, I can pronounce that word. Castor oil and panthenol is in there. Hydrolyzed pea protein, so a little bit of protein. So yeah, so it's good. I think it's really, really good and it works really well. And some sort of fruit extract as well, but I can't really pronounce it. Yeah, it's really, really good. So anyway, that's my quick review of the IGK Mix Feeling. So definitely go and check it out. And I hope everyone is having a great evening wherever you're based, or daytime whenever you're watching this video. And yeah, stay tuned for some more videos from me. Love for my curls. All the best. Take care. And if you do have any questions or any comments, please include them below. Is there any particular products that you like to use for your, you know, to get rid of your brassiness, or anything that you can recommend really that can combat that? That would be really, really good and to share with other viewers today. All right, take care. Thank you. Bye.